welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So you're probably wondering where I've been. It's been a while since I did a video. Well, I did do a little bit of shopping, but I've been waiting for those packages to roll in. So today I have for you some multiple places. First I went in store, and I promise you things get better as I move through this. I had to go to Target because I needed a new plain white solid t-shirt. The one in my drawer had like all stains and it was discolored, so yeah, time to go. And this is just a plain white t-shirt. It's by A New Day. I have many of their t-shirts. It's a size extra small and it was $10. So I really like them. I feel they're really soft and cozy. Okay, next up is something else I also got at Target. I saw another person. I'm in a style group on Facebook called Busby Style Hive. It's by Erin Busby, and it's her Facebook group. It's free to join if you want or are interested, and a lot of women post outfits that they dress up for the day. And one woman posted a pair of cognac colored joggers, faux leather, and I said, oh my gosh, those are so cute. So then I was on a search for them. She even gave where she got them from, but they were over $300, and there ain't any way I'm spending $300 on anything. So I happened to be in Target. Actually, another place when I was Googling, I saw that they were at Target, but then it said my Target was sold out. So I said, lost hope. I was debating whether I was gonna order them, and lo and behold, what did I find but a pair of joggers. Now, these are burgundy color, but they're like a dark brownish burgundy. There's a lot of brown in these. I think I would have preferred the cognac colored ones, but I'm happy with this color ones. They have the drawstring waist, and it's elasticized, and it is functioning drawstring, and they have the two slash pockets on the side, and then they have the cuff at the bottom, okay, the elastic band on the bottom. And these are a size extra small, and they were $20. So yeah, $20, $350, I'll take the $20 ones, it's okay. So I will try these on for you and try to style them, but I am going to need your shoe help, that is for sure. Okay, next up, some things from Amazon, all right? And again, they'll get a little bit better as they go along, okay? So first is just a dry fit tee in black. Since I got those two different leggings, both the ones from Lululemon and the dupes, the colorful koala from Amazon, and they're both printed with black. I said, you know what, I can use another black dry fit tee. So here you go. I believe this was 20-something on Amazon. And I'll try and send all the links below, so if you're interested, you can order. And this one I got in a size small versus extra small. I do have some Nike tops that are in an extra small, and I think they're just a little bit too tight across my bust, and I would like them a little bit looser fitting. But if this ends up being too loose, whereby if I bend over you can see right into it, then I'm going to return it. But as long as it fits and it doesn't show anything when I bend over, I'm good. Okay, next up, I've been watching a lot of unboxings. That's all I do on YouTube, and various people have gotten from their Wantable box these Z Supply overalls, and I thought, oh gosh, they're so cute. They come in different patterns, you know, and you go on the Z Supply site, they're well over $100, and they're in that price too at Wantable, but you always have that chance of to buy 5 on Wantable. So I was hemming and hawing whether or not I want to spend over $100 or order them on you know, and order them on directly from Z Supply. And I didn't want to go back to Wantable because I find that whenever I request anything, they don't get it, and then there's my $20 styling fee. So I went over to Amazon and I found a pair. I really wanted the leopard ones, but they didn't have the leopard ones, but I found the camel ones. They're a knit, basically like a jogger, right? Because they have a cuff bottom, okay, but they're like a sweatpant or a knit material. Okay, but they're overalls and they're in camo. So I will give these a shot. I did get an extra small. I'm hoping they're not going to be too small because, you know, they are supposed to be overalls and not skin tight. So we'll see how they fit on me. And these were, I think, $70-something from Amazon. Again, I'll put the links below and I'll tell you my prices, but it was a lot cheaper than it was if I got them through Z Supply. So again, I'll try them on and hopefully they fit, and if they do, they're keepers, so I'm pretty happy. All right, next up, and this is something I showed you already, and this is a cami, and I'm not gonna go too much in detail. That is like a velvet, and I tried it on for you and I liked it, and I said I was getting a second one and I was gonna see which one I liked better. So here's the second one. So it's crushed velvet, and I would say it's like a cap sleeves, and it has a little lace detail up here. Now I like it, and I like it better than the cami, just mainly because it has sleeves. Oh, there's a big long, no, it's already coming apart. There's a big string coming apart, which can be cut off. But I can tell you the quality of this one is not as good as the other one. Yeah, not as good as the other one. And on top of that, look at the shape of it. It is just a complete square box. So I'm already leaning on, oh my gosh, no. You know what? I'm just gonna return this. I'm looking at the back and it looks like there's like a run in it, or at least the way the velvet is done. I don't know if you can see that right here, like a line down it. Maybe it's supposed to be like that, but it looks to me like almost like a run. Yeah, I'm not too happy with the quality of this one. This one will probably be going back, but the other one was cute. But I'll try it on just to be sure, and maybe I'll reorder it if it is a keeper, but I highly doubt it. All right, next up, White House Black Market. You know I couldn't help myself. I had a gift card for my birthday from there from my mother-in-law. She graciously gave it to me, and they are having a sale, and I just couldn't help myself. So first up is this blouse, and it's camo. Do I need more camo? No. Do I need more blouses? No. But I really liked it. It has the puff sleeves. It has like a tie in the front. I don't think I have any shirts with a tie in the front like that. It has just a regular sheer sleeves and a regular button cuff. Okay? And it is lined on the inside. And just to let you know, this retails for $99, but it was marked down to 44 something, and then I had another 25% off. All right, so I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, and then I got this sweater, which is, whoops, it's a dark forest green, and they call it, I think, what color do they call it? Tambo tank green. So it's really, really, really a dark green, almost black. Like when I got it, I was like, this is green? It's almost black. And it has a very tiny mock neck, very tiny, like literally it's, I don't know. We're gonna have to see how this is. It has, and down the sleeves, which I thought was really cute, it's like braided. I don't know if you can see that. You know, so it's not going to show a lot of your arm, just a teeny bit, but it's braided down the side, which I thought was a nice detail. What I didn't see when it was online is that it's like completely bodycon, all right? This is a tunic length, and that's one of the reasons why I got this, is because I was looking for something to wear with my Spanx camo leggings and possibly another pair of camo jeans that I have from Stitch Fix from a couple years ago. So I was possibly thinking of wearing like something like that with them. And I did order that olive sweater from Stitch Fix, but I ended up sending it back because it wasn't tunic length. So when I saw this on White House Black Market website, I said, oh, tunic length, dark green. I had no idea it was like this bodycon rib thing. So I don't know. I don't have high hopes on this. So I'll give it a try, but you never know. So just to let you know, this is retailing for $89, but again, it was marked down to like $44 and change, and I had that 25% off plus my gift card. So I think, and I have one more thing still on order from White House Black Market. So all three tops were under $100, or just about $100 for the three of them. So I don't think I got bad deals on these things. I think I'm just gonna have to return these because this is just gonna be skin type and show every roll. But we shall see. Maybe never, maybe I'll be surprised. All right, give me a few minutes and I'll do a try on. Okay, first up, and these are the Target pants. Again, they were $20. So I don't think for $20 I can complain too much. They are pulling just ever so slightly here at the pockets. I plan to lose a little bit of weight so they do not pull. I think they fit nice other than that. I don't think there's really, for 20 bucks, anything I can complain about them. They're not tight in the tush. They're not too tight in the thighs. Let me pan down so you can see where they come, Amy, and you can let me know about my shoe selections. I'm not so sure I like this shoe selection. So I just paired it with a chunky ivory sweater, And then I said, well, if I'm wearing an ivory sweater, I kind of need like ivory or dark shoes. And I have booties and I have, you know, sandals. And those are my choices pretty much. I really don't have much else in my wardrobe as far as shoes go. I do have the gray pair of wedge sneakers that I recently got from Nordstrom, but I didn't think that would go with this. So let me know what your thoughts are. Would you wear booties with this, or would you wear a different kind of shoe? So let me know in the comments below what kind of shoe you would wear with this. Next up, I'm going to just throw the t-shirt on quickly to show you, so you can get an idea of what how the t-shirt fits. And these are an extra small, and if I can find them online, I will link them down below in the comments. So give me a minute. Okay, just very quickly, this is the extra small, a new day. And by the way, the joggers are a new day as well. Tee, as you can see, it's a little bit long on me, but the sleeves, that is typical for me. It's a thin tee, and it was only 10 bucks. And I don't wear this plain. I wear this layering under things, typically sweaters that like are itchy, or maybe a longer cardigan or something like that. So it's not something I typically wear on its own. I just needed a new layering tee because mine was yucky. Okay, next up is the overalls. All right, next up are the overalls from Z Supply that I got from Amazon. I'm not sure if these look as cute on me as the other ones looked on the other YouTubers. And they weren't cheap, so you're gonna have to let me know. Do I keep them or do I send them back? I don't think they're too small per se. They're just a little bit more, I think, form-fitting than I expected them to be. So like the pockets are laying flat, they're not pulling. I don't think anything is tight on me. It's just a very fine, thin knit that tends to cling a little bit more, if that makes sense. You know, I'll come a little bit closer so you can see. You know, it has the adjustable straps here, which I tried to adjust because I kind of felt it was a little bit too loose back here, but when I did, then it started pulling. So I said, all right, let's leave it here. It has this drawstring release that is adjustable. There's plenty of room up in this area up here. I'm not so sure. Let me know your thoughts. And if you got these, would you wear these out of the house? I think I would, but with the coat over it. So nobody can see the fact that I'm wearing overalls, you know? If I'm just wearing the bottoms, it looks like I'm wearing joggers. I'm gonna pan you down. I'm wearing the gray wedge sneakers. I'm not so sure I would wear these sneakers with this either. You let me know, and let me know your thoughts of the sneakers with this. As you can see, this is rolled and it is sewn here, so it's not like I can release the seam, the cuff at all. It is a sewn cuff. All right, let me know your thoughts. And no pockets. Nope, there are patch pockets here, or at least one of them in the back. Okay. All right, next up, some of the White House Black Market stuff. Give me a minute. Up next is the camo blouse, which is cute. It fits well. No complaints about it. The sleeves, this is a regular size. I think, what did I get in this thing? I think I got an extra small. I think it ran small, extra small. Yeah, or size extra small. So regular extra small in this blouse. And I would say this fits me perfect. I have no issues. It's not tight. The sleeves are a good length. The one thing I do have to say, I do have small wrists. I was able to get my hand through without unbuttoning, but I think most people would have a problem getting their hand through the wrist without unbuttoning, and I don't know if people have the patience then to button it back up again, because you obviously don't have the one hand to do it. So if somebody is interested in this blouse, I just want to give them the heads up. It does have the sheer sleeves, but it is lined here in the bodice, and it has the little tie here, which you can leave tie or let loose, and other than that, it has the V-neck. I like this blouse. I think this is a fun going out blouse. So I am going to keep this blouse. I have it on with a pair of black jeans that are entirely too tight on me, and my funky Steve Madden boots that I'll pan you down here so you can see. All right, so this is definitely something I would wear going out. All right, I think I'm gonna do the dry fit tee next. Give me a minute. All right, up next is the Nike Dry Fit Tee. It has, I would consider this a scoop neck versus a crew neck because it's not really up high. And this is the kind of neckline I prefer, so when I'm hot and sweaty from the gym, I can just pull it away from my face versus actually have to touch my face. So it's funny, this is a size small, and I paired it with my Amazon leggings, which are too long on me because I'm a shorty. But this fits, it's a size small, but it fits like my other Nike extra small tops do. So that doesn't make much sense, but it works. It's good enough. It's black. It will go with these leggings, and I'll wear it to the gym. So this is the back of it. As you see, it's a little bit clingy, but that's okay. I'm not at a fashion show. It's there for me, for my comfort when I work out. So it's a keeper. And now I have on is the last top from Amazon, which I already know I'm going to return because it has the run in the back. But I'll try it on just so you can get an idea of what it does look like in case you are interested in trying it out for yourself. Give me a minute. Up last is the Amazon top, which does not have much redeeming qualities about it. It was just made wonky. So there's that big, I guess like run in the back, and I don't know if you can see the lace here. It was kind of sewn on funny, and it's now puckering, and it's just too wide and boxy. I mean, the front tuck does help it, but there's just way too much fabric here. So yeah, this is going back, and it was cheap, so I mean, you get what you pay for. But I thought I'd try it out and see if I liked it, and I don't. So this will go back, and I'll probably keep the other one because they were both cheap enough, and they're both wear underneath a jacket, which I'm still coveting. I'm still coveting like a brown leopard jacket or even a cardigan maybe in a rich dark chocolate brown. So, you know, let me know if you know of a place where I can get something like that. We'll look into it and pick it up. I've been looking on Amazon, and you know what the problem is? I kind of really need an extra small. Smalls tend to be just a little bit too big and oversized for me. So finding an extra small is a little bit challenging. Well, thank you again for staying here and watching with me. I appreciate your support. Thanks so much for returning subscribers. If you're new here, I do shopping hauls and unboxings, try-ons. I have coming up both a trend send and a trunk club. At the end of the month, I should be getting my Stitch Fix in. You know, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Click that notification bell and get notified of future videos from me. Thank you again, and until next time.